All right, let's plug it in. Hey, I hear noise. Well, that's the tone, that's the volume for the neck, and it's not going down because we're in a bridge position. So I guess we're off to a good start already. So, yeah, look at that. Tone works. Let's go to the neck position. Yeah, works good. Tone works good. Let's do the push-pull pot. Yeah, definitely splitting. Definitely splitting there. Well, I think we're all set. I think we're all good. Let's put the knobs on. Now with these knobs, as I was saying before, if you look at it, we have 24 tooth. Let me unplug it. So we have the 24 tooth here, and we have the 18 here. Now these came off. Now if you remember, when these came off, one of them was 24 and one was 18. So this one here, you see, it does not want to push on there. So on our instructions, what we say to do is take a 7/32 drill bit and just open up the ends of these. Or you can buy knobs that are 24 tooth spline and they'll go right on. Like a Gibson type knob would just slide around there, no problem at all. But these were already designed, were already fixed to go on the way they were. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, so this one here was probably on the volume knob originally. We'll take it like that. It's going on there. But this one here, let's see here, since we already had. Yeah, it's not wanting to go on too well. So we're going to have to open these up with the, so that one went on fine. Yep, we're going to have to open these up a tad bit with the 7/32 screw drill bit. So we'll get a drill bit. We'll do that right now. Okay, so I got my 7/32 drill bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it by hand. Just kind of, just a little bit. What that does is it just kind of takes the edge off inside of here. Just kind of makes it a little bit bigger, and it'll make it easier to go on. Do not want to push on. So this one here has already opened up quite a bit. So this one here they may have already opened up. So yeah, it's still a little tight on that one. Yeah, it's still a little tight. Don't want to force it on. What happens if you force it on, then what'll happen is it'll, you'll just rip the shaft right out of here. Just pull them right out. Let's try that one. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Wiggle it back and forth. Yeah, I think we're in there now. Good deal. There we go. Yeah, it's rotating nice and good. Let's do the same thing with this one. Open it up a little bit more. Just very carefully. think it's going on there all right. Just going to wiggle it back and forth, ease it on nice and gently. Now if we go to take these off, we'll use the shoelace, and once again, you know, we'll just wiggle it back and forth to take them off. Once again, you don't want to just pull straight up. You pull straight up, you're gonna pull the shaft. You know, that's pretty much any of the 24 teeth pots where you have the you know, basically, because what we're doing is, like I said before, you're trying to put like a metric onto an SAE. But I think we're good. I think we're done there. Looks good. Actually, I don't like that. I think I'm going to move that over just a little bit. That's better. That's kind of how I like it. Well, when I was down getting the screwdriver, took a time to clean up the edge of the plate here. I'll just put that on. Get our screws here. Kind of self-start them. We had no issues with this installation, so there was nothing to troubleshoot. But like I said, if there was like, we would have plugged it in and there was no sound, we'd look for a short. Like I said, the output jack's always a good place to start. Sometimes, you know, when you push it in, you know, the output jack will touch the side of the cavity, or if I'm using the shield on the lead from the jack, you know. But I think it's just, the main thing is like the old carpenter's code, you know, measure twice, cut once kind of thing. So just taking the time to think through everything, think about what you're doing. I had it plugged in, I didn't hear any hums or anything, so I think we're good there. And it's nighttime here right now, and I have CFL lights outside, which are horrific. Plus I have some low voltage lighting inside the house, which is horrific. And even with the cover off, I didn't hear hardly any noise at all. So it's good. So there we go. We have a complete Terminator system set up in this guitar. I'm ready to plug it in. There's actually, we're going to do a demo of this system. It's Terminator single volume or dual volume, dual tone 4-2 system, and you'll be able to hear it there. And I think so. That's completes this demo, installation demo. It's a more in-depth demo of the Terminator system. I made our guitar products. Maybe we'll do a couple more of these. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see one that's more specific to, you know, maybe whatever, different guitar, whatever. But as far as overall, the general concept of, you know, putting a wire in the terminal, how to put it, clamp it together, placing all the grounds, and how to get another, you know, more grounding points. You know, these are the things that I think are pretty much standard on all Terminator systems and installation. And, you know, the main thing with the Terminator system is how good it sounds. I mean, we take a lot of pride in our dual value CTS design pods. CTS does for us, and the different capabilities, you know, from synchronized operation, like having bridge pickup at 250K and a neck at 500K, or vice versa, you know, like on some of our humbuckers, single, we can do 500K in a bridge and 250K in the singles with synchronized operation. And or like on this system here, where we pull up on this, not only split the coil, we're changing it from 500K to 250K, you know, pull up on it, boom, this coil is split, and now it's at 250K, the volume pod is. So that's, you know, it's a very versatile system. And I think it's a great product. We have great reviews. If you have any questions, concerns, info@madairguitarproducts.com. We answer your questions. We do custom systems. We do them all the time. If you have an idea or that's, you know, you think it's crazy, hey, throw it by us. We'll see what we can do. And we've done some stuff that's been so complicated. It's it's like, you know, phase, out of phase, in series, out of series, you know, parallel series, you know, each pickup, you know, different combinations, like the Jimmy Page #2, where we had the one where they had the two mini toggles, switches, push toggles underneath the pick guard. You know, we've done a lot of different stuff, and we like the challenge. You know, we do charge a little bit more for custom systems, but you know, because they're one-offs. Plus, we have to do all the engineering because every one of our systems comes complete with the wiring instructions. So even a custom system would do that as well. So check us out, MadAirGuitarProducts.com. Here, what your guitar is missing. Thanks for enjoying this. I hope you enjoyed this demo installation video, and let us know if you have questions or comments. Thanks.